Hello guys, this is me again, Jenefer. In this video, I'll be showing you what my day looked like when I made a challenge to myself. To use my whole day to make a reusable face mask with an inside pocket. While showing you the film I made to myself while working, I will also talk about my realizations on how can we use our skills and time to help in this pandemic. Watch till the end to see how many face masks I made that day. Hi guys! Finally, I'm done with my challenge. And now I'm ready to put the cord to this face mask. First I will give my other cutting board to my son because he's always using my cutting board or this table. So I will give my other cutting board. He has his project also. And he's making a sling bag. And so I'll give this to him and put this. And speaking of that sling bag, my son is into making bags now. He is selling notebooks also. I am his #1 customer. While sewing these face masks, I have these 3 realizations. It's like a COVID-19 realization. First, after this lockdown, there will be drastic changes to businesses. Domestic production is now in. The world might not rely to other countries for production anymore. In North America and Europe, they started domestic manufacturing slowly. Some transferred their production from one country to other countries. Now is the right time to produce our own products. Start making something while you're at home now. Second, use your skill, make use of the time. While we are in lockdown, if you still don't know what your gift is, use whatever skill you have. And if you don't have any, learn one. Example, mine, sewing is one of my skills. I will use this to help some nurses. If you have more skills, you can help more. If you can cook, produce food that can be stored longer if you have a backyard. Especially if you are in tropical countries, plant so you have something to harvest. If you are creative, use your time to create and create until you perfect your craft. If you love to learn, this is the right time for you to learn more. Read more books and blogs, listen to podcasts, and watch tutorials on YouTube. And if you have so much knowledge to share, produce contents, write a blog or film for YouTube. And last, what is our expertise? Do we have an expertise? If we have, we can make business out of it, even you're at home now. You can build your business at home. A lot of people, especially the older generation, can't understand what the younger generation is doing. How they build your businesses through online. They are hesitant to changes. They can't accept if their children want to study through online. Don't waste your time studying unnecessary subjects. Use your time wisely. Focus on the things you need to learn. So when you are 18 years old, you are equipped of the knowledge that you need to learn. I'm excited to see how many face masks I can make in a day. If you will not use your time wisely now, this is what will happen. You spend your time studying unnecessary subjects. When you are 15 to 22 years old, spend these years to learn on the things that you really need. So when you are 23 to 30 years old, you can practice of what you have learned until you become an expert. These years would be your time to fail and fail and fail, and don't stop until you succeed. When you are 40 to 50 years old, you can build your empire. Your success story will begin, and when you retire, you can do some coaching and philanthropies. Now, let's talk about face masks. I did some research. They said that the safest face mask for this COVID-19 is using HEPA filter. But the thing is, using HEPA filter is not advisable since breathing through the glass microfiber could be hazardous to your lungs. Since I don't have HEPA filter here, I can try using it by inserting it inside the pocket of the face mask that I made. What I have here is only tissue. Doctors recommend to use tissue as another layer of protection for your face mask. Coronavirus is 0.1 micron, but this said some people are catching the virus in droplets that are bigger than that. If you are working at hospitals or in any healthcare industry and you are using reusable face masks, always wear new face masks every day. Disinfect your reusable face mask before wearing it again. And to everyone who is wearing a reusable face mask, guys, big salute to our heroes, people who work in the healthcare industry. I am a registered nurse, but my passion is being in the fashion industry and business numbers. That is why I am trying to help in a little way. I hope this face mask can make you a little more comfortable, since based on my research, nurses and doctors wanted a face mask that they can adjust it by themselves. Using a cord is much better, so you can tie it to fit perfectly to your head. Also, using decent nose wire options, you can use floral wire, pipe cleaners, or even twisty ties. And mine, I'm using 4 strands of fishing net, since that's the only thing that I have in my storage. And it serves the purpose, guys. If you are working whole day and then you're wearing mask for whole day, that's not comfortable, guys. So because we have different sizes of head, and also it depends what is comfortable for you. It's tighter or not so tight. So is how to put this mask on your head, your mouth. So like this is the inside pocket. Hello. Hope guys you enjoy watching me working while listening to my speech. And now is the time to reveal how many face masks I made that day. I made 120 pieces of face masks. Please share this video Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below about what you did realize and what skills or talent you discovered you have because of this coronavirus. Keep safe, everyone. See ya.